Well, what a day. It's a Thursday. I turn up for work and, oh, wow. Unfortunately, Lee, I'm ever sorry to tell you, we're terminating your contract. You're now unemployed. We're going to give you a month's pay. And thank you very much for everything you've done. Unfortunately, due to a client that's pulled out, we no longer have a position for you. And it just feels like every time you feel like you're taking 2 steps forward, life comes along and kicks you in the bollocks. So I spent the last hour or so clearing my desk, which, to be fair, that's my life. 2 years, or just over 2 years, sat at that desk, and that's why I got a show for it. I just don't get life anymore. I'm 53 and I don't know where to go from here. I think I just got to digest it, see where we are. But like I say, just as you get comfortable in your own mind that life is going your way, your legs are spread and life kicks you in the bollocks. Well, it's the day after losing my job yesterday, and you know what? Life really does kick you in the balls when you least expect it. But what are you going to do about it? You know, you've got to keep smiling. I'm sure at some point I will find another job that I like doing, and fingers crossed. But when you're down and you've been kicked in the bollocks, what do? I'll tell you what you do. You get out and you ride your bloody monkey, because everybody needs a monkey bike in their lives, that is for sure. And this is my little monkey. This is little Foxy Roxy, and you know what? Every time I ride her, she makes me smile, she makes me laugh, she makes me feel 30 years younger. And everybody needs a monkey bike in their lives, they really do. It just takes me back, a little 125, you know. She'll do about 60 mile an hour. She's got a beautiful Scorpion can on her. It's just over 4,000 miles now. I tend to commute on this bike more than I do my Scrambler, that's for sure. And don't get me wrong, I bloody love my Scrambler, but for different reasons. The monkey, like I say, makes me feel 30 years younger. And every time I ride her, every time I look at her, every time I clean her, just makes me smile. I've even built a camper van to fit 2 monkey bikes under the bed as we're off to the Isle of Man in April for Planet of the Monkeys. The beautiful Foxy Roxy. Oh, just listen to the roar of the mighty monkey. So yeah, I woke up this morning and I think the realisation really kicked in that, you know, I'm jobless bum. And I thought to myself, what am I going to do? What am I going to do with myself today? Now, you know, I could have started looking for another job, but I just haven't got the headspace for it. I really haven't. So I sat there for about 10 minutes and thought, you know what? I'm going to get the monkey out. I'm going out for a ride of my little monkey. Because no matter what, that little monkey will make me feel 110% better than I'm feeling right now. Originally I bought a blue one on a 71 plate, and my wife thought I was crazy. She thought I'd lost the plot. And then she teaches CBT on a Saturday, and one Saturday morning I've gone to the garage and she bloody stole it, and pretty much she's had it ever since, wouldn't give it back. So I had to buy another monkey, and this one came up for a friend with just under 1,000 mile on the clock on a 2019 plate. It's a 4-speed box, this one, and I snapped it up. Hence we now have 2 monkey bikes in the family. And like I say, I've even built a camper van that I call the Monkey Camper, just for getting away. We've always got motorbikes we can ride and
if I ever want to take the big bikes, I can put them on a trailer and tread them wherever I want. Because what I've realised is at the ABR, not last year, the year before, I can't be crawling in and out of tent no more. So the monkey camper was born last year. We went to the ABR in it, and it was bloody amazing. Like I say, we're off to the Isle of Man in April. Well, I'm saying we're off to the Isle of Man. It's paid for, but I do need to find a job, because otherwise we won't be able to eat. So yeah, she's just over 4,500 miles now. And I gotta say, it is miles per hour. You don't have one of these bikes for the top end, top speed. It's more about miles per hour. And believe me, they do make you smile. But I couldn't just own a monkey. You know, that's where the Scrambler comes in, because the Scrambler feeds a different passion, a different want, a different need. And that's the need for speed, where the monkey is all about feel good. Because she makes me feel good, that's for sure. And yes, I might look like a stupid fat old man riding a little kiddie's bike, but I don't care, you know, because that's motorcycling. It's the freedom of choice. It's the freedom of choice, and I'm free to look like an idiot as much as I want to. But I think no matter what your size or your demeanour, you'll always look cool on a monkey. I'd have tended to use this bike more for work than I did my Scrambler, purely because, you know, she will average 120 miles to the gallon. It's a lot of miles to the buck, you know. You get a lot of miles for your money, that's for sure. So, any of you guys and girls out there, do you own a monkey or a Honda C90 or a Honda Grom CT125? Do you own any of these little bikes? Or any of you doing the Planet of the Monkeys this year? Let me know in the comments below. So the job hunt can wait for another day. Today was just more about clearing my headspace, trying to jump to terms with the fact that, like I keep saying, life can just kick you in the bollocks at any given time. And the perfect thing for me to do today was just get out on my monkey, have a bit of a bimble, bit of a ride. And yeah, that's me heading home now. I do feel quite revitalised. It's cleared my head. All I can say is, bring on the new job, whatever that may be. But as for now, I'm just going to enjoy my monkey. And the fact that, do you know what? No matter what, motorcycling will always make you feel 110% better than you felt before you went for the ride. Well, for me it does anyway. So, on that note, thank you very much for all your support. Leave a comment, give us a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and follow future content and the ramblings of an old man that loves two wheels and a motorcycle. But as ever, even on a monkey bike, never ride faster than your angel can fly. That's for sure.